1971 Nova here. Nice looking two-door. Now this particular car has had a repaint. It is fresher paint the way that this stands out. It cannot be that old. Obviously white with kind of this blue metallic stripe on it. That is painted and then cleared over. Let me get back away from that. Got a little yellow looking with the lights and the banner and what have you. So a true white, indigo blue stripes, chrome, bright work, whole front end looking good. Now, as far as underneath the hood, this thing has a built 400 in it. And I can tell you a little bit about the build. There is a folder that goes with it, some dyno sheets and some receipts information in that. What I can tell you, it does have a serpentine belt system, Isky cam, Eagle rods. As far as power, it looked like the dyno sheets around the 400 horsepower mark and about 450 pound-feet of torque. Now, that Chevy V8 is paired with a Muncie 4-speed. According to the previous owner, it is an M22. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes, very nice looking engine compartment too. And we're going to pop the hood, fire it up. This is a healthy sounding car. You can hear a good rumble out of it. It does have disc brakes all four corners. They are drilled rotors up in the front, slotted and drilled in the rear. We have rev wheels, nice looking 5-spoke wheel, and you can see up and down this car. I mean, it's nice and straight. It's not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. Can you find a touch up here and there? Absolutely, but as you can see, nothing that stands out. There was one little tiny one I noticed, if I can get that to stand out right there. I mean, that's being fussy. Front bucket seats, black vinyl interior. Interior's as nice as the exterior on this one. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, the underside of the car, I'd take a good look at the still pictures on this one. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our pictures. And you can always call us 507-386-1726. But yeah, take a good look. The car looks nice. Look over all the pictures. Check out the trunk. As you can see, rear chrome also looking good. And those blue stripes and this white just really pop. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. New headliner was recently put in the car. Good to go there. Edelbrock intake and Edelbrock carb up front. Some other things too, MSD, HEI ignition. We'll pop the hood and kind of go over that with you again here in a second. But first of all, let's take a look at this interior. Carpeting's good, vinyl seats, free of wear, rips, tears, anything like that. Now, as far as the SS emblems that you see on here, can't really represent this as an SS, confirm or deny. Emblems on there, and it's obviously priced accordingly too. So, tell you what, let's fire this up. Hear how it sounds. See how easily it starts up. Got the tack over here. You can see that without the glare. Also have a center console, what I'll call the radio delete package, so you can put in whatever radio you'd like. Sorry about the glare there. Again, that Muncie 4-speed. Slip around to the back of this. The rumble coming out of that V8. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front here. I want to pop this hood and let's check out this engine bay. Alright, like I said, built 400, serpentine system, dressed up nicely. Aluminum radiator, electric fuller fan. Again, power steering, power brakes, Edelbrock intake and carb, MSD, HEI ignition back there. Look at header. Sounds good. said, dyno sheets look like around the 400 horsepower and mid 400, 450, 460 pound-feet of torque. 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Nice looking paint, good looking car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.